Hello everyone, welcome to our channel uLearn Education Online. In the previous video, we had discussed how to design the voltage to current converter using operational amplifier and also what is the need of V2I converters in the practical applications. Now, let us discuss about the concept related to the current to voltage converter. In this video, we are going to see what is the need of Y2V converters in practical application and also what is the circuit analysis of I2V converter using operational amplifier. As we know that this type of current to voltage converters are useful in many applications. For example, if you consider that we have a circuit component, okay, like photodiode. If I consider the circuit component example as photodiode, as we know that this photodiode will always gives the output in terms of current. For example, if you want to store the data of this current in for 24 hours, we need some storage system. Let us say that we need a data acquisition system as a storage system, but this data acquisition system we are using, it will access only the input signal in terms of voltage. So in order to store this current value in the data acquisition system, we need to convert this current signal to the voltage signal. Okay, so for this type of application, we are using the I2V converter. So in between the photodiode component and the storage element, we are using the I2V converter circuit in order to change current value in terms of voltage. So this is one of the practical application of using I2V converter. Okay, now let us see what is the current to voltage converter circuit using op amp. In brief, we know that if you consider this I2V converter circuit, the input signal we are considering as a current, whereas the output we are observing as a voltage. As we know that this I2V converter should always follows the linear characteristic, which means the output voltage is directly proportional to the input current. For example, if there is a slightly change in the input signal, the circuit should quickly respond to the change and it has to produce the output signal at the output. Output voltage at the output. It means that the circuit follows the linear characteristics. Okay, now let us see what is the circuit of I2V converter using op amp. So this is the operational amplifier circuit which converts the input current to the output voltage. Okay, so let us mathematically prove this circuit follows the I2V converter. Okay, for in order to prove the mathematical analysis, we have to make following assumptions. That is, I am assuming that the op amp is operating in the ideal condition. So if the op amp is operating in ideal condition, it follows the virtual ground concept. Okay, as we know that the virtual ground concept is nothing but the node potential at the inverting terminal of op amp is always equal to the node potential at the non-inverting terminal of op amp, or in other terms we can say that the difference voltage between the inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal is always zero. So for this circuit, at a non-inverting terminal, I am considering it as a node A, and at the inverting terminal, I am considering it as a node B. Okay, which implies that according to virtual ground concept, the VB value should always equal to VA value. From this circuit, the VA is 0. So unintentionally, the potential at VB value is always equal to 0. Okay, now simply apply nodal analysis at node B. So if we apply nodal analysis at node B, we get entering current is IS plus VB minus V0 by R is equal to 0. Since VB is 0, I can write IS as 0 minus V0 by R, which is equal to minus V0 by R. Finally, the IS value we are obtaining as minus V0 by R. If you kept the R value as a constant, then we can say that the IS is always proportional to the V naught. Okay. Or else I can say that the V naught value is minus IS into R. Therefore, V naught is proportional to IS. So output is the voltage signal and input is the current. And these two are directly proportional, which means that the op amp will act in the linear mode. So this is the mathematical proof that the operational amplifier circuit will convert the input current to the output voltage. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please mention in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.